Bonggang-bonggang bonuses at incentives ang naghihintay para sa mga members ng network system ng Sante International. At alam niyo bang walang kahasel-hasel ang pag-check ng mga kinikita ninyo? Dahil ito sa kanilang state-of-the-art na The Big League Electronic Business System or e-Business System. Ano nga ba ang The Big League e-Business System? Ito ay ang technology kung saan meron kang sariling personal business website. Dito maaari mong i-monitor kung magkano na ang kinikita mo at ang network mo. Kahit saan, kahit kailan, basta't merong internet connection. Hindi lang yun. Ino-notify ka via text kung meron kang bagong nakukuhang bonuses. Ang galing, hindi ba? Dahil importante kayo sa Sante, sinisiguro nila na kumpletong-kumpleto kayo sa lahat ng tools at knowledge upang yumaman. Para i-discuss pang maigi ang e-business system, narito si Mr. Joey Marcelo.
One of the strengths of Sante International that set us apart from other companies is our powerful electronic system. Our members worldwide can access their business via their personal business website. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga members natin can order products online and even pay it using their credit cards or pay it using an electronic money system na ang tawag po natin ay League-Wallet. Yung mga members din po natin can register new distributors, browse their genealogy, disburse their commissions, and even transfer cellphone loads and other prepaid load products to their friends and family members. They can also monitor the performance of their business and a lot more right at the comfort of their homes because of this very powerful online system.
Habang ginagawa ko ito na masaya ako, pinapadali naman ng management yung trabaho ko. Dahil ipoprovide naman nila yung special tools because of the system. Kumbaga sa timpla ng kare-kare, lalong na-perfect ngayon yung timpla ng kare-kare. Ang galing. Ang galing. Kaya this is it. Ito na talaga.
Pero hindi lang po yan. We also have an SMS system na talagang tuwang-tuwa po ang mga distributors natin, not only in the Philippines but distributors all over the world. Because using this SMS system, they can be updated kung magkano po ang kinikita nila sa Sante International. And in fact, pag naka-receive po sila ng text message, all they need to do is simply reply, given a set of parameter, at yung pong commission nila can be transferred immediately to their bank account. We are so excited because we do believe that we have the best system so far in the industry. And let's face it mga kapatid, this became possible because of the partnership of Sante International with a world-class IT systems provider, the Big League Enterprise Incorporated. The Big League created a unique and powerful system that will revolutionize network marketing. The Big League created a convergence of different network marketing companies under a single umbrella. So meaning, if you're a member of Sante International, you're an automatic member of all of the companies inside this umbrella. So what's the advantage if you're a Sante member? Simple lang po. You can now buy the products not only of Sante, but of the other companies inside the umbrella of Big League at members price. And the good thing is this, if all of your distributors in your organization will also purchase the products of those companies, you can also benefit from their compensation program.
Let's say you have 10,000 people. Can you imagine? Stable na yung income ko kapag gumagamit sila ng barley. Tapos, ang gaganda pa ng produkto ng iba't ibang kumpanya under Big League. Pag in-introduce ko, another income na naman, next level na naman. So, alam mo, sa sobrang excitement ko, saan nakikita ko yun hindi na residual income. Ang nakikita ko ngayon, residual momentum.
Kayang-kaya mo talaga umasenso, pero sa pagpili ng networking company na sasalihan, ano nga ba ang dapat ninyong tandaan? Lagi niyong isipin ang Fantastic Four. Kasiguruhan sa kumpanya, kagalingan ng produkto, kagandahan ng compensation package at teknolohiya sa pagnenegosyo. At ang Fantastic Four na ito ay matatagpuan sa mapagkakatiwalaang Sante International. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Simulan ng palakasin ang inyong katawan at pakapalin ang inyong mga bulsa. Ako si Kuya Kim at maraming salamat sa panonood ng The Sante Barley Solution. Ang kakibat mo sa magandang kalusugan at pagnenegosyo. Ano? Handa ka na bang maging healthy milyonaryo?
Gusto kong yumaman, maging milyonaryo at matupad ang pangarap ko. Huwag lang susuko, kayang-kaya nating lahat umasenso. Konting kilos lang, konting sipag lang, tagumpay ating makakamtan. Dati nakatungo, ngayon taas no. Buhay milyonaryo, panalo to. Sante Pure Barley ang pag-asa ko. Buhay milyonaryo, panalo to. Sante Pure Barley.